Nanliliit eh mga taga-Rosario. Bola ng Hunter Brown. Pumukol ng tres. Wala. Bola na yan. Batang Rosario. Olion. To number 5, Capili. To number 6, Mendoza. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot clock at 5 seconds. Short. Pass by the Hunter Brown. Jersey number 13. First 2 points. Kumabay number 24, Karina. To number 5, Capili. Yes for 2. Bola and Joseph Young. To Alex Cabagnon. To number 95, Dio Campo. Rebound by Joseph Young. To number 13, Hunter Brand. To Alex Cabagnon. Hunter Brand. Pumukol ng tres. Bang! Inista mo na yan, sir. 4 points. To Hunter Brand. To Joseph Young. By Hunter Brand. With 8 minutes remaining. 8 minuto. Hunter Brand to number 10, Meyer Hofer. Lays up. To Dio Campo. Pero may foul tayo. Foul by jersey number 15. First number 15. First team foul. Substitution. Number 8, Joseph Young. Yes, sir. 4 points. Hunter Brand. Pumukul ng tres. No good. To number 5, Capili. Yes for 2. Sa gitna kay number 10. To number 18, Aranya. 10 to shoot. And there's the result. To number 9, Canaleta. Yes for 2. To number 36. Yes for 2. Number 24, Montales. To number 12, Morme. Balik ni Montales. Yes for 2. To Alex Cabagnon. Balik kay Aranya. Pumukol ng tres. Ilista mo na yan, sir. 4 points. Nago na. Foul tayo. Foul by jersey number 8. Save ball tayo. Okay, time out. Bagong Lasal. With 6 minutes remaining, 6 na minuto. To Mr. Aranya. Sumalaksak. Yes for 2. Bola ng PBA Motor Club. Joseph Young. Yes, sir. Number 13, Luistro. Pass break. It's a 2-on-1 situation. Number 24, Montales for 2. Here is no good. To number 7, Gualberto. Number 24, Montales sumalaksak. Yes for 2. To Joseph Young. Fires. No good. About by jersey number 24, Montales. To Joseph Young. Legs up. And it's a clean gun. Wala. Agawang tungo. Kuha na number 24, Montales. Montales sumalaksak. Yes for 2. Bigay kay Montales. Montales to Agno. Yes for 2. Okay, foul counted tayo. Bonus shot. Para kay jersey number 36, Agno. Bonus shot is good. 10 seconds. the basket is good. Plus the foul committed by jersey number 7, Juan Berto. Isang segundo, isa. Okay, end of the first half. Official score is 33-30, tatlong kalamangan para po sa PBA Moto Club. Seconds to shoot. To number 7, Juan Berto. Yes for 2. To number 13, Hildebrand. To number 95.
Kaya pa, Coach? Okay lang, brother. Shot.
To number 24, Karingan. To Langrimas. Yes for 2. Ten seconds to shoot. To number 36, Agno. Yes, sir. 4 points.
You have the shot?
Kapili fires. Ilista mo na yan, sir. 4 points.
You have the shot?
15. 2 points, number 36. 5 seconds. Okay, end of the third. 53-51 official score. Dalawang kalamangan para po sa PBA Moto Club. Number 24, Montanes. Sa gitna kay Juan Berto. Yes for 2. 57-56, isang kalamangan para po sa PBA Moto Club. Mr. Alex Sabaton. Tukanaleta. Yes for 2. Kapili fires. No good. 10 seconds to shoot. Kabagnat fires. 4 points. Hildebrand fires. Yes, sir. 4 points. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Nice pass. Kari na naman.
Shot clock violation. Substitution. 3 minutes and 13 seconds remaining. Official score is 68-61. Kalamangan pa rin po para sa PBA Moto Club. Bola yung JJ Hildebrand. Sa gitna kay Canaleta. 2 for 2. To Canaleta. Hildebrand fires. Yes, sir. 4 points. Eight to shoot. 5 to shoot. No good. 40 seconds. 30 seconds. 10 to shoot. Yes, sir. 4 points. 15. 2 points. 10.
Dunk.
Okay, end of the ball game, winning team, PBA Moto Club. Once again, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sa inyo po pakikilahok sa aming pong programa.